So here are the results after we moved the drag links positioning closer in on the steering arm. We're now able to turn the bars halfway, and that accomplishes full steering to the right. Same back, we got center, and then we go halfway to the left, and that accomplishes full steering to the left. Unlike before, we had to rotate the bars almost entirely around. So yeah, check out how we got there. So you're looking at the stock steering arm link here. This is the drag link coming in the new position that we put it in. Here's the old position. All we did was suck it up closer to the tire here on this arm. If we pan back, you can see there's the tires, there's the link. Here's the old hole, here's the new hole. The gist of this is the closer into this pivot point you get, the more sensitive the steering's going to become, and the further away you get from this pivot point, the less sensitive the steering's going to become. And in this particular build, that's definitely important because of the ATV handlebars. So yeah, if you like this build, like, share, subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions or advice. Feel free. Thanks, guys. Peace.